Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man?
Man, I know y'all want to see how that shit happen. Don't even trip. I'm finna show y'all. Start the damn. What's good with y'all boys, man? We back. We got another banger. Y'all see I started the video out with a cold start, man. Y'all see V looking good. It's dirty again, but shit. What's different? Oh, bro.
Got them cat reels. He was dead ass.
Told y'all niggas I was not playing. Damn. I gotta go get some tires, but
that don't matter. That don't matter.
This bitch look good as hell off the 5 spokes, man. Shit. How much you putting in this bitch?
20.
I ain't gonna lie, I'm thinking the same shit. Oh, there go land ass right there.
Help me out, man. I'm broke, man. Like, I am broke.
Man. That's what I'm saying. Can y'all niggas subscribe so we can get gas to do these videos? Yeah. I'm happy as hell my nigga recording. It's good. Oh, we got this bitch turned up. I ain't gonna lie. They said Rucci gets you what?
Coach. This bitch is big, bro. Oh, you about to get shit spin. I'm eating this dirt on my mama. I'm these lines till I'm burned off.
Oh, hold on.
I ain't know.
Bro, I was supposed to be getting everybody reactions. Yeah, definitely did. Had to, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Yeah.
Okay, he came 5 spokes, okay.
Woke me up in the backyard surfing.
Oh, that shit!
I ain't gonna lie.
I love it.
Our server is crazy today. Like, this shit crazy as hell, bro. Good boy. Hey, come here, pull up. Let me show you something. Hold on. See what we on? What's different?
Through the 5 spokes.
Ooh.
I'm killing. I'm stealing them. Completely different.
Give
me some, my nigga.
Man, I told you. Well, it was like 3 weeks ago. I told you, give me like 2 weeks. Yeah, I don't even think it was. It was like 2 weeks ago. I was like, give me 2 weeks, and this was gonna be great. Yeah. Completely different car. Crazy this summer.
I need those rims. No, I'm just.
This nigga irritated. He talking about he can't record. Nigga, this his video, mind you.
You need one of them juice boxes. I've been out here for over an hour, bro. This nigga phone should not be turned off.
Knowing he recording the video, it's his video, mind you.
We're African Americans. We don't do nothing right.
Man, yeah, this shit was supposed to start 2 hours ago.
See, right
This the last car pulling up, y'all. Still ain't charged. I don't know how that nigga. I don't know how that
with a car. That bitch should be clean at all times.
Bro, I don't know how that bitch be getting dirty. Then the bumper.
That bitch shit great. You got a leg on there? Hey, Speed, why the fuck the police come out the car on me? Talking about you done yet?
That bitch usually green though.
I was gonna say slide too.
That bitch usually green.
It usually. That's the first time that shit ever happened to me though. That's what I was gonna say. Go. Shit, we can go there for real.
We might as well. That bitch usually green.
I think. Yeah, we let this nigga leave. We gonna leave. Slide that bitch up in our car.
driving my shit.
Oh, he driving your shit? Yeah, that's slow. I can leave you too.
Alright, y'all boys. Y'all see we finna leave now. That nigga, he driving J-Kart. Bro, we out here. It ain't even summer yet and we turned.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Alright, y'all. It's a very, very sad day. And I crashed my car. Oh. And the radiator cracked bad. The body damage is not terrible, but this right here, I ain't not gonna lie, that hurt. Y'all know I just got these rims, so that hurt, I'm not gonna lie. As for everything else, we're in. Really it's just the bumper. I don't know all of the damage. I know like the front end, that shit probably done. Really just the bumper gone. And that wheel, like body-wise that I can see, probably some frame damage or something. So I don't plan on like not having this car. I'm still gonna have it. I think I'm just gonna have to fix all that little shit. So I'm gonna pick y'all up whenever something happens, whatever happens next. God damn. Bruh. It bitch. Bro, look at my fucking wheels, bro. Little do y'all know, bro, the backstory behind these wheels is so fucking crazy. Like, as y'all can see though, this shit not terrible. It's not too bad. I'm gonna be back soon, you know, hopefully. Shit. Oh, never mind. I thought I knocked the bulb off that bitch. I was gonna say, damn. Ooh, damn, I can't believe I did that. Y'all niggas subscribe, bro, and like and shit, so I can get back on the road. This shit's crazy. I cannot believe this shit. I never did no shit like this. Ever, bro. Also, we finna put this bitch on the ground. I know I keep steady saying this over and over, but I really can't believe this shit. I'm laughing, but it's like, damn, what the fuck? Like, nigga, what? Bro, look at this. Bro, I don't know what to say, bro. It's always something, but fuck it though. You know, we gonna just come back harder than before. Again, like, what the fuck? We gonna come back harder again.
That straight is on that side?
Hell yeah. Straight as that bitch gonna get. Bro, and this bitch looks so slime, like. Damn. This bitch is. Damn, bro. Fuck, I ain't gonna lie. The only reason I'm mad, really, I'm not even mad because of the car. I'm really mad because of YouTube. I really, like, bro, this shit's finna set me back, but it is what it is. That's the only reason I'm really tripping right now. Car, this shit can be fixed or whatever. Looking in here, god damn. The coolant spilled again? What the fuck? Bro, that shit is inevitable. That shit gonna happen regardless. Like, I don't know. Fuck that coolant. Oh, damn. But everything else look good under here for real. And the car does start up and it does run and everything like that. Good thing no airbags or nothing came out. I don't know what's next. Well, I'm gonna start taking this bitch apart. As y'all see, I have this big ass pry bar. I don't need this, but you gotta take all the clips out. Y'all know how to do this. I probably ain't gonna need these no more either. Damn. Whoa, that bitch gone. Let me grab that. I don't got no more casualties on this bitch. And then, you know, you got this bolt right here, which I believe is a 10. The bumper is right here. This is what I was using to hold the hood up. But the bumper is right here. That bitch cooked. Like, that bitch fried. Then y'all see we got this right here. Oh, sky right there. That bitch hard. But back to what I was saying, bumper, that bitch is done. Front right 5-spoke, done. What's good, y'all boys? It's hella later. Plans changed with the car. You see my car? No. I ain't gonna let this nigga a hoe.
What if you seen it?
Oh God!
Hey, then buffed your whole paint off.
Y'all seen it here first. Whatever I get next, I'm doing the same rap on that bitch. Cause I only had that bitch for a month, bro. That shit dead. And I had them rims. Them rims was really like 3 days. But I didn't even tell y'all what I'm doing. All right, y'all. So I'm going to sign the title to the insurance company. I'm gonna just total that bitch out and get something. I did want that car for the summer, but I got 3 or 4 banger videos out that bitch.
Hey, look at that beat. Look at it. That's his car.
This is not my shit, man. But we at the tow yard and they finna bring the car around so that I can get the title. Cause I had put it in there because they told me that they needed it here, but then the lady from the insurance company, hell yeah.
The lead's towing in the cut.
Tap in with them niggas. The lead's towing and shit. I ain't gonna lie, them niggas actually picked me up that one day. My shit, I raced the scat. Need to like all the parts and shit. Like, put like extra money for the parts.
What in the fuck is that? Oh God. Man, what Craig said, hell yeah, this shit bad. Make you not even want to drive it no more.
This nigga that hurt my heart, bro. Bro, this shit crazy, bro. Taking all his smell goods out this bitch. He ain't even grabbed them hoes, so guess what? He don't even care about them. Like mine now.
Oh, we tripping. I see they put my shit in that damn trash bag.
Draw your chain.
Man, shut your bitch ass up, nigga. You know what I'm saying? Bro, I just stepped in this fucking, all this fucking mud, bro. I ain't gonna lie, sock wet as hell now. But alright, y'all boys, man. It's a wrap for this one. Wasn't it though? It's a wrap for this one, man. Damn. Shit low-key hurt, I ain't gonna lie. A wrap for my baby, man. Legendary, bro. Hey, bro, stop fucking my car, bro.
One more for me.
Yeah, you right, bro. Bro, come on, bro. It's my turn, nigga. Yeah, you really want to doing it right. You know, you gotta in the knees a little bit. Get the right ankle. Grab it right here. Bro, this shit hurt. One last look at it. It's all good though. Will definitely come in some crazy shit. I don't know what I want though, but y'all let me know what I should get though. This probably gonna be it for this video. So like, comment, and subscribe. I'm still gonna be dropping content even without my car. I'm gonna just be a scat rat or whatever and be in everybody else shit. I don't give a fuck. Y'all know me. But like, comment, subscribe if you're new, and I'm out, bro.